Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook 3-line option not working problem? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Facebook 3-line option not working problem. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all you need to update your Facebook apps. So go to Play Store. Now tap on search bar and search for Facebook. From here update your Facebook apps. If available any update version, just update your Facebook apps. After completing update process, now tap and hold on Facebook apps. Now open Facebook app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Now go back. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After following all steps, now open Facebook and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.